Find the easiest way to create complex layouts in the WordPress menu. With GutenKit, seamlessly add images, logos, or multi-column menus in the WordPress block editor. Mega Menu is a premium extension for the Nav Menu block. So activate the Nav menu first. Then on the block editor, add items to the Nav menu. You can add existing pages of your website or add custom links as the menu items. Watch the video linked in the description to learn how to create a navigation menu with GutenKit. Now select a menu item and enable the Submenu feature to add the Mega Menu. Alternatively, click on the Add Mega Menu button in the block toolbar. Then you can add any block as the menu item in the Mega Menu. For example, let's add a flip box to the menu. Now you can choose a full-width menu or change the menu width to inline or custom. You can also adjust the position to the right or left. As you progress, you have the option to modify the submenu icon and customize its appearance to your preferences. Congratulations! You've just crafted a WordPress Mega Menu that elevates your website's user experience and aesthetics to new heights, whether on mobile, desktop, or any other device. Install GutenKit and easily build your WordPress Mega Menu for Gutenberg. Thanks for watching.